Now we'll talk about the observation control options. Observation control options must be used inside the parenthesis. It contains three options. Okay, first we will talk about the first OBS. First OBS means it specifies the starting observation number. Okay, it specifies the starting observation number. See, for this first OBS, we need to create a new data set, and the set statement is important. Existing data set. After that, we will write same like a variable control options how we wrote. Same thing. Here also we'll write like that only. First OBS is equals to number, semicolon, run semicolon. In my data set, I have 10 observations. Okay, first OBS means what? Specifying starting observation. So in my data set, I have 10 observations. I want only 5 observations. From 5, I want, so 5 to 10 observations. From 5, I want it. So for that purpose, we'll use first OBS is equals to number. So then it will print from 5 to the remaining last observation number. It will print. OBS is nothing but observation. So it specifies ending observation number. So I have already said you that I have 1 to 10 observations. Okay. I want till 5. From where? From 1 to 5. Till 5 I want. Okay. For that purpose, I'll use this OBS is equals to 5. So 5 is nothing but the last observation number. Till that only it will print. So first OBS is equals to 5 means from 5 to 10 it will print. OBS means 5 is equal to 5 means it is the last observation number. It will print from 1 to, from starting to last observation number. What is that? 5. Clear. Next, combined options. Combined options is nothing but I'm using first ops and OBS. I have 1 to 10 observations, right? From that, I want 5 to 8 observations only for that purpose. So, to select the middle observations, we'll use this combined option means first ops is equals to 5 and the ops is equals to 8 means it will print 5 to 8 only. First ops means 5. From 5 it will print. And 8 is on the last observation number. So, till 8 it will print. Clear? Same thing is the syntax here. So in this place here, I'm writing first ops is equals to number and ops is equals to OBS is equals to 8. Okay. After that, where option. We'll talk about where option. So where is nothing but a filter condition option means it filters the data. It filters the data and selects observation from data set. Okay. That meets a particular condition. Okay. So earlier I have said that SAS is not case sensitive means any case is fine, uppercase, lower case, mixed case, any case is fine. But in where option it is case sensitive. Okay, single or double quotes from the for character variable. Only for character variable single or double quotes you should use. Okay, syntax is nothing but set statement, existing data set name and where is equals to variable number. 2 parentheses using like a rename will use here where also. For where also we are using 2 parentheses. Okay, so this where option uses arithmetic or logical operator like see is equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to operator, greater than equal to operator, not equal to, and, or, between and, in operator. So in detail I'll explain these also. Okay. Now observation control options we'll talk about. So how many observation control options are there? 3. What are those? First OBS, OBS and where option. Where option is very important. Clear? Where statements also we'll discuss later. First OBS, OBS, yes, and where option. Okay, this is my data set. See, I'm running this first thing. This is my simple data set. I'm running this. So you can see the output here. Yes, observation control options used for variables or observations? Yes, observations, right? Yes. I'll add more observations here so that you'll have an idea. So these are my observations, 5 observations. I want only 3 to 5 observations only. Okay, I don't want these two observations. First 2 observations I don't want it. I want only last 3 observations. For that purpose, see, first OBS is nothing but used to specify the starting observation number. So for that, where we will write this first OBS? In the set statement, and for that we need to create a new data set, right? Data test is my data set name, okay, set, and my old data set name is nothing but a DM. So I'm writing here DM, open parenthesis, and I'm writing here first OBS equal to, from 3 I want, no, from 3 to last observation I want it. For that purpose we use first OBS. It will display from 3. Okay, so when I'll run this, so sorry, proc step is also important, right? So proc print data equal to, what is my data set name? Test is my new data set name, right? Run semicolon. So I'm running this particular thing. You can see from 103 to 105 I have displayed. Okay, starting 2 observations are not displayed, right? Starting 2 observations I don't want, I said, right? So these 2 observations will go into trash, right? I want from 3 to 5 only, I have said. So from 3 to till last n number of observations will be there, okay, in real time. So for that purpose, yes, from where you want that number you'll write. Clear? From 3 to last observation it will print. Clear? Okay, now we'll talk about OBS. OBS is something specifies ending observation number. I'll run this again. My old data set I'll run and I'll explain you. So this is my data set. This is my old data set. I'm creating new data set. I'm writing set statement and then observations in it. I want till 3 only. Okay, I don't want this 2. Okay, last 2 I don't want. Only from 1 to 3 I want. For that purpose, we use OBS. Means till 3 only it will print. Okay, specify ending observation number only, till 3 only it will print. So you can see 1, 2, 3, no 4, 5. Clear? 101, 102, 103, no 4, 5. Clear? Here till 3 it will print. 3 is the last observation number. Yes, here first OBS means 3 is the first observation number and it will print till last. Clear? Here 3 is the last observation number. Above 3 what are observations are there, till 3 it will print. Okay, and combined options can be used first OBS. Yes, when I'll tell you. See, 10 observations are there here clearly. Yes, 101 to 110. 10 observations are there. I want only middle observations to be displayed from 105 to then we can use 2 options, right? What options? First option is first OBS. From which number we will give? From I want 5 to 8 middle observations I want. So 5 to 8. So first OBS is equals to 5 we will give. From 5 it will print, and OBS is equals to 8. Till 8 it will print. 8 is the last observation number. 5 is the first observation number. Okay, so I'll run this first. So after running this, from 5 to, okay, from 5 to I want 8 only. Okay, so for that purpose I'm writing here first OBS is equals to 5 and OBS is equals to 8. Then will it display the observations from 5 to 8? Yes. Clear? So 5, 105 to 108 it's displaying. Okay, fine. Next is where option. We will use two parentheses for the where option. Okay, in my data set I want the employees whose age is whose age is 83. So for that purpose we will use a where option. So my variable name is age and I want 83 employee whose age is 83. I want them to be displayed. Okay, so you can see both Priya and Ravi ages are 83. By using is equal to operator we can see whose age is equal to 83. Okay, I want age less than 83, then I'll use less than symbol. So it will display ages are less than 83. You can see the ages here. Clear? I want my an employee age should be greater than 83. Okay, you can see clearly that 98 and 87 Tarun and Tara ages are greater than 83. Okay, I want 83 as well and greater than 83. Clear? So for that purpose I'll use is equal to. You can see 83 as well and whose age is greater than 83 also you can see. Clear? Otherwise less than or equal to 83 I want. Okay, then you can see here less than 83 till 83 it will display. Clear? I don't want 83. Okay, age to be displayed. Okay, I want to remove all the employees whose age is 83. For that purpose I'll use not equal to operator. 83 will be removed because we are using not equal to 83. I have given OR operator because two conditions are there here. So age is equals to 83 and age greater than 99. This condition it will not satisfy. It will satisfy 83 because in my data set 83 is there. So when I run this, what it is displaying? 83. So the employee whose age is 83, it is displaying here clearly. Clear? This OR operator. So here age between 83 and 98, between ages, to print the between ages, we'll use this. So 83 to 89 between ages you can see that is 87 we have. Okay, we can use between and in where option. Clear? See here, in this is an in operator. Okay, I am giving ages to be displayed 83, 67, 77, 88. Okay, randomly I have selected the ages and I want these ages to be displayed. Okay, so when I am running this, I can see 67, 83. These are the ages we have, but we don't have 77, 67. So it will not display. Clear? It will not display here because in the data set these numbers are not there. 77, 67 numbers are not there. And in operator I can use AND operator. I want from here only whose salary is 44,000. Okay, I want from this ages 44,000 salary. After running this, you can see 44,000 is only one employee, that is whose age is 67. Clear? You can use like that. Okay, one more variable I have added, that is sex, and here I have given male, female. Okay, so I want only female. Okay, female members whose salary is 24,000. Only females I want. Okay, first I want to display females, only females. For that purpose, what we will write here? Only female I want. Yes, where sex is equal to single quotations will give for the character variable. I am writing small f. here it is capital F. In this where option, it is case sensitive, I said, right? Yes. When I run this, it is showing something. It's not showing me females. I want females, right? What is the mistake I'm making here? Small f. Because in my data set, capital F is there. Capital F only we need to write here. Clear? So then only it will display. The DD I'll write. This is my new data set DD. Okay. This is my DA. DA is nothing but the existing data set. First I'll print this. I did not run this, right? That's why it's not showing you. Okay, first I'll run this. Okay, after that I have given my dataset, new dataset name as DD. Yes, so I have written sex is equals to female. Capital F only you need to write. Clear? Because in the dataset I have given capital F. Okay, you can see here capital F. In this female, I want whose salary is greater than 24,000. Okay, whose salary is, and I'll write here and operator, sal equal to, so sal greater than 22,000 I'll write. So we will see will it work out or not. Yes, sal greater than 22,000. Okay, you can see 24 and 73 from this. Okay, I want age equal to, yes, and I'll write here, and I want age, you can see in the data set what it has written. Yes, age is 23 and 67. Age greater than 23 I want. Age also I want it. So you can see here 67 is the employee age, and you can do it like this also.